How to add a debit card to Venmo. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to add debit card to Venmo, you may follow up the steps. So, launch the Venmo application on your mobile device and access the Me tab. You can look out for this and look out for the menu in the top right corner. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be finding different options. Look out for the option called Venmo card, or head over to settings and find the option called Venmo card from here, or payment method. So just go ahead and look out for that option. And once you are into the payment method, you'll be finding different payment method available. Look out for Venmo and tap on Venmo. And once you do, you'll be finding two options: add bank or card. Choose the card option. And once you just go ahead and choose that, you'll be finding the section where you need to input your card 16-digit number, expiration date, and the CVV, the security code on the back of your card. Just go ahead and provide them. After that, tap on add, and Venmo may prompt you to verify your card, which could involve your bank sending a code to your phone or email. Just go ahead and provide them with the details, and you should be finding your Venmo card being added to, like debit card being added to Venmo. And that is it. So if you'd also like to add debit card to your Venmo, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.